today the topic is integration by parts. So here what is that integration by parts? Is nothing but there are two functions are there. One is a u is nothing but a function in x, and v is nothing but a function in x. Thus both are function in x. And what is the formula? The formula is integration of u dv. That is integration of u dv is nothing but uv minus integral of v du. So this is a main formula. Integration of u dv is nothing but uv minus integral of v du. And here what is the condition? So we are choosing, how we are choosing u dv? That is u dv is chosen or in the form of I late. This is nothing but I late. So here what is I? I is nothing but inverse trigonometric function. So like sin inverse x, cos inverse x, okay, and so on. And L is nothing but logarithmic function. That is nothing but a log x power n, and so on. Next A is indicating as a algebraic function. Thus what is algebraic function? X cubed, x power 4, x, and if there is a 1, the 1 can be written as x power 0. And T is indicating as a trigonometric function. So like sin x, cos x, tan x, and so on. And next finally we have E. E is indicating as a exponential function. So like e power 4x, e power minus 2x, and so on. So we are choosing this UDV. UDV must satisfy this condition. That condition is I late. The highest priority goes to that inverse trigonometry. Next one is logarithmic. Next one is algebraic. Next one is trigonometric. And last one is exponential. Suppose if there is, we take an example. Integration of x cubed into sin 2x into dx. So what are the function? The function is in the form of u dv. The u is nothing but x cubed and dv is nothing but sin 2x. So u and dv are the functions of x. U is in the form of x and dv is in the form of x. Okay. And here is it satisfy the islet or not? What is the first priority? The first priority here we have on algebraic and trigonometric. What is the first priority goes to that? The first priority goes to that algebraic and next priority goes to the trigonometric. That means it is satisfy that property of I late. Okay, there need not be change. And the second one is that suppose if there is x cubed into log x into dx, x cubed into log x into dx. So we compare that integral from u dv. That is nothing but u, that is x cubed, and dv is nothing but log x. That is x cubed is the algebraic function and log x is logarithmic function. Whether it is check for islet. So in islet, what is the first priority? The first priority goes to the logarithmic. But here the first priority taken as the algebraic. So therefore it is not in the form of islet. So first we written in the logarithmic and next we written as a algebraic. That is nothing but a log x. First you are writing as a log x and next you are writing as a x cubed. So therefore log x into x cubed into dx. So it is in the form of u dv. Okay. And next one. So we take one problem. So that is the integration of x into e power minus 4x into dx. So how we can solve this problem? First, how we identify that is this problem is solved in integration by parts. First, we do that u dv. U is the function of x and v is the function of x. Dv is the function of x. If both are function of x, it can be solved by using integration by parts. And here in integration by parts, the power of x is always 1. Here what is the power? The power of x is 1. Okay. And we compare that integration of u dv. So that is nothing but integration of x into e power minus 4x into dx. If we are comparing u is equal to x and dv is nothing but e power minus 4x. These two are function. X is nothing but algebraic and e power minus 4x is exponential. Check for highlight. What is the first priority? The first priority goes to that algebraic and next priority goes to that exponential. That means it is in the form of highlight. We need not be changed. So u is equal to x and dv is equal to e power minus 4x into dx. So we differentiate u with respect to x. That is nothing but a d by dx of x. What is the d by dx of x? So d by dx of x is nothing but a 1. From that du is equal to dx and dv is nothing but e power minus 4x into dx. From dv we need to find v. For v, this d will be converted into this side. D is nothing but a differentiation. Differentiation will be changes to the right side. It is converted into that integration. So therefore the v is nothing but integration of dv. Okay, that is integration of dv. What is dv here? dv is nothing but e power minus 4x into dx, and we have written as e power minus 4x integration. So we know that into e power minus x nothing e power minus 4x. Before x we have minus 4. So therefore v is equal to e power minus 4x by minus 4. So finally we have written as the integration by parts formula. What is the integration by parts formula? Integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so just we substitute the values of 1 into what is the one? These are the values of 1 u. What is the u? U is equal to x and v. What is v? E power minus 4x by minus 4 minus integral of v e power minus 4x by minus 4 and du is nothing but dx. So therefore we get that minus this value can be written as minus x into e power minus 4x by 4 minus and 1 by minus 4 is a constant taken as an outside. We get 1 by minus 4 into integration of e power minus 4x and it can be written as minus e power minus 4x by 4 minus into minus, that is nothing but plus 1 by 4. If you do that integration, we get that integration of e power minus 4x nothing but e power minus 4x. So before x we have minus 4. So therefore minus x into e power minus 4x by 4. So 4 into 4, 16. So therefore plus into minus, that is nothing but a minus. So finally we get that minus x into e power minus 4x by 4 minus 16 into e power minus 4x plus